Has a brand ever said to you they want an integrated or a dedicated post and you were just like, what are you talking about? There's a big difference between the two, so it's very important that you familiarize yourself with both. A dedicated post is a post that is solely dedicated to advertising that one brand. For example, it might be 5 of my favorite sunscreens from Sephora, and that might be like an ad for Sephora. Most brands are typically going to want to pay you for a dedicated post because they don't really want you talking about other things to distract. They want you to get straight to the point, like, this is an ad for this brand. An integrated post is a little bit different. This is a post where you're basically organically integrating the brand into a larger concept. For example, it might be 5 summer essentials I always have in my bag, and it could be an integrated post for a sunscreen where the sunscreen is one of those products, but maybe you also show your beach towel or your hat or whatever else. In my opinion, this type of post, an integrated post, is the most appropriate if you're doing a gifted partnership. You've probably heard me say this a million times. I don't think that any influencers should be doing dedicated posts for brands unless they're getting paid or they're just getting started building their portfolio. If you're an established creator and you're doing gifted partnerships as dedicated, you're losing out on money. You really should only be organically integrating them into posts when it feels right for you, unless they want to dish out actual money, formal compensation.